Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, current affairs. ATS. What is ATS? ATS means Anti-Terror Squad. Special Counter-Terrorism Unit present in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Police involved in investigated intelligence and emergency response suspect related to terrorism and cooperate with the other branches of the police department, police forces from other state, IB and NCP. First ATS India was found in Maharashtra in 1990. Then ACP Mumbai Aftab Ahmad Khan inspired Los Angeles Police Department Special Weapons and Tactics SWAT teams. History. ATS formed December 1990 and helped reduce the crime rate in Mumbai by 70%. By state, Maharashtra Police has first police department country to set up the ATS unit, but disbanded in 1993, reintroduced in 2004 and 2008. ATS Chief Hemant Karkar was killed the line of duty fighting against terrorists in 26/11 Mumbai attacks. Compacting intelligence and investigation challenges related to terrorism, but not armed anti-terrorist operation. Uttar Pradesh UP created ATS in 2007. Although intelligence aspect of terrorism, it has been stepping up tactical counterterrorism capability since 2017 with the creation of tactical unit called Special Police Operation Team SPOT. West Bengal police had two ATS. Delhi and Mumbai came up the idea of Special Task Force STF. 2008 ATS STF Kolkata police captured most wanted Indian Mujahideen co-founder Yasin Bakhtal for case involving large amount of fake currency. Tamil Nadu government issue order to form ATS additional fund 28 crore rupees government order added. 30th state of Tamil Nadu is set up form of ATS following transaction by the state government. ATS will function under the Chief of Intelligence of the State Police and will have state-wide jurisdiction of power to take independent legal action in any part of Tamil Nadu. P. Amuda, Principal Secretary of the State Home Department, the government ordered sanctioning sum of 60.1 crore rupees wing was issued on November 18, 2023. According to senior official data, all terrorism and fundamentalist related case will now be handled by ATS. ATS function will be supervision of Additional Director General of Police, ADGP, intelligence state-wide jurisdiction, and shall be declared as police station with respect to offence of under the specific act and section of IBC, Indian Penal Code, and proposed Director General of Police, DGP. Officer location Madurai, Coimbatore and Chennai. ATS motto intelligent gathering and analysis tool of digital forensic equipment and other operational equipment worth of rupees 18 crore. Additional fund 28 crore will be provided. ATS revised estimate during the next financial year, adding the 89 new vehicles have been sanctioned for the use emergency situation. Member allowed to travel free economic classes. ATS formed State Intelligence Department 383 personnel to effectively tackle terror activities. Gujarat government is expected to spend nearly 1,000 crore for upcoming Assembly and General Election 2022 and 2024. 470 crore was spent 2022 Assembly election. Budget allocation Rs 150 crore has been made for the 2024 polls. An additional of rupees 313.59 crore expect to earmarked 2024 to 25 state budget. NIA has booked designated individual terrorist Gurbatan Singh, self-declared General Counsel of banned Khalistan outfit of Sikh Justice SFJ under the anti-terrorism law, released a video message of threatening Air India and passenger with the global blockade and closure of the operation. Creation ATS come months ahead. 2024 Lok Sabha election and criticism opposition that Tamil Nadu law and order deteriorate. Special Commando Force was formed, eliminated Sandalwood bandit Veeraban. 1990s Special Police Officer said ATS would be one of the special unit of Tamil Nadu Police for counter-terrorism. Team will be head by officer rank of Deputy Inspector General DIG 36 ministerial staff will be functioning, supporting staff of anti-terrorism squad, ATS, legal advisor, psychologist, religious scholar and a socialist beside police personnel of this. Redeployed from CBCID Special Investigation Division. ATS will function separate building, 10% of basic pay of 20,000 per month, lesser risk allowance, unit will get recurring expenditure 5.7 crore sanctioned. GO have granted 26.5 crore ATS toward non-recurring expenditure which is RS 18.9 crore machinery and equipment, 1 crore computer accessories and 89 vehicle for 6 crores. This ATS formed first of all Maharashtra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. These units are frequently involved in investigative, intelligence and emergency response aspected to related to terrorism and cooperate other branches of National Investigation Agency, Intelligence Bureau. 12 March 1993, Bombay blast occurred. Crime rate increased in Maharashtra and then helped reduce crime rate in Mumbai.